In today's video, I'm going to show you how I get this super defined, moisturized wash and go using moisture milks and gels. So stay tuned.
Everything you need, waves, curls, and kings. Simply Divine is where you need to be. Everything you need, waves, curls, and kings. Simply Divine is where you need to be.
Hello everyone, and thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Shantina, so let's get straight into this video. Before I turned on the camera, I washed, detangled, and deep conditioned my hair using Main Choice shampoo and 3-in-1 detangler. And the deep conditioner that I did use was the TJIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. And I also followed it up with olive oil, and I deep conditioned for about 1 hour. Now that everything is washed out, let's get started. The star of the show today is the TJIN Honey Miracle Moisture Milk, and I am pairing that with the Wetline Extreme Gel. I'm also going to add an oil to my scalp that promotes hair growth, and the one I'm going to be using today is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Peppermint Mix. Okay, going right in with the oil, apply it straight to the scalp. Then go in with a good finger massage, and you all know this will bring the blood flow to your hair scalp, which promotes hair growth. And I did this for about 5 minutes. So after sectioning my hair into about 5 sections, I went in with some warm water to help open my hair shafts to receive the moisture that the milk will bring. I didn't use, now keep in mind, I didn't use too much of the moisture milk because I just didn't want to put too much on there, and I didn't want it to weigh my hair down. So listen, I truly prefer moisture milks over leave-in conditioners. Don't get me wrong, leave-in conditioners are still bomb.com. I just use them if I'm going to do like a quick protective style. But for my wash and goes, I definitely prefer milks over leave-in conditioners because it's just lighter for my hair, and like I said earlier, it won't weigh my hair strands down. So after the water and the milk, I seal it all in with olive oil, just to make sure that I'm sealing that moisture in completely. Next, I section my hair into subsections, then go in with the Wetline Extreme Gel as my styler. I do use a good amount of this gel because I put the oil on there. Normally people put oil on their hair after the style is done, but for my hair and to get the maximum moisture, I put the olive oil on my hair before I put the gel, and I just find that my hair just holds moisture better when I do it like that. And it also gives me a gel cast, and I particularly like gel cast because my wash and goes just last longer when I have a gel cast on my hair. As you can see, my curls are clumping and moisturized and shiny. And I know the real test is the final results. So let me keep moving. So I do this process throughout my whole head. It is time consuming, but trust me, you want to take your time when doing your wash and goes if you want it to last more than 2 or 3 days. The next few clips you will see me add the water, the milk, and the oil first to make sure that I am locking in all of that moisture before I put the gel on top to seal the deal. So I'm going to speed the next few clips up and play some tunes for you to listen to. I really love using moisture milks, like I said earlier. They're very lightweight. However, they are very, very moisturizing to my hair strands, to my low porosity hair. So leave a comment below if you prefer milks over leave-in conditioners. And I want to know what leave-in conditioners or milks you like best for your hair. Because keep in mind, everybody do have different hair, and your hair may take to different products different from someone else. So I like to hear what people are using and what works for them. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up and click the notification button so you will not miss any video that I upload from here on out. So let's get back to the regular scheduled program. So there you have it, my update of wash and go using moisturized milks and gel as a styler. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, stay focused, keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until the next time, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.